I am so grateful and happy that I manifested money to do a lot of things, including paying my debt, which seemed almost impossible. For the last few months, I was so broke that I could not afford to spend even $2.44, which is 1,000 naira in Nigeria currency. Not only that, but I had a loan of almost $121.83 to pay the following month. I was scared, and sometimes I would even cry about it. I could not spend or enjoy any money that I got because I was always paying off my loan with any money that came my way. Then at one point, I remembered what I had read in The Secret, what I had watched in The Secret video and other law of attraction videos. I recalled that I should always think and feel abundant, to stop always talking about the lack of money, to stop mentioning the lack of money to others, to always say, believe, and feel that I am a money magnet, that money loves me and I love money too. I recalled that I should always think and feel abundant, to stop always talking about the lack of money, to stop mentioning the lack of money to others, to always say, believe, and feel that I am a money magnet, that money loves me and I love money too. If we are trying to figure that out, we will just get in the way of the universe. It also said to use visualization, which was very powerful. At that point, I stopped worrying and stopped getting scared of spending any money I had. I completely trusted in God that the loan would be paid before the deadline. All thanks to God and the universe, my loan was surprisingly paid. I started getting income that I expected, and unexpectedly. Money started flowing to me. I got everything that I wanted. Money always flows to me and it never stops. Thank you so much, Jehovah, God. I am so grateful and happy. I am really grateful and really happy. Thank you, God.